Hello traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. Are you on the lookout for a Forex trading system that provides accurate signals without repainting? Look no further. Allow me to introduce the non-repaint Forex trading system. It's a revolutionary indicator designed to give you easy-to-use buy, sell signals and enhance the precision of your trades. This versatile trading system works wonders on any Forex currency pair and a wide range of other assets, including stocks, commodities, cryptos, and precious metals. With the non-repaint Forex trading system, you can enjoy reliable signals across multiple markets. It seamlessly adapts to various time frames, from the speedy 1-minute chart to the more comprehensive 4-hour chart, catering to your individual trading style. So let's learn how to enter buy and sell trades using this indicator. But before we start, be sure to don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and enable all notifications, so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. So let's start now. Reading the signals is straightforward. The white bullet represents the actual buy and sell trade entry point. Additionally, the system offers precise take profit and stop loss levels for each signal, conveniently displayed on the chart. Recommended to take buy trade when white bullet appear in support level and take sell trade when white bullet appear in resistance level. Best work for 5 minutes and 15 minutes candle time frame. Best trading time European sessions and New York sessions. This indicator system can be used on all currency pair. Avoid opening new trades during high-impact news events. Use the indicators as guides and develop your own trade entry and exit strategies based on thorough analysis. Practice patience when entering and exiting the market, never break the rules of your trading strategy. Remember, there's no guaranteed formula for success. Stay resilient during losses and remain humble when winning trades. I hope you must have understood this trading rules. If not, then it doesn't matter. We are going to take backtest of this indicator, so that you will definitely understand. We request you to watch the complete video so that you can get to know better how to trade with this indicator. Free download this indicator, link given in the description. So let's start now. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, happy trading.